The story of TVS Motor is a story of relentless pursuit of excellence. From humble beginning to becoming a global player, TVS has constantly pushed the boundaries of innovation, earning its place among the giants of the two-wheeler industry. This success isn't accidental. It is the result of a clear vision, a customer-centric approach, and a commitment to innovation that permeates every aspect of the company. For decades, TVS has been a driving force in the Indian automotive landscape, but their journey is more than just about building vehicles. It is about building trust, building relationships, and building a legacy of innovation. At the heart of TVS' success lies its unwavering focus on research and development. They don't just follow trends, they create them. This commitment to innovation is evident in their flagship Apache series. The Apache series isn't just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of performance, style, and cutting edge technology. TVS engineers have poured their passion and expertise into crafting machines that resonate with riders who demand the best. But innovation doesn't stop with internal combustion engines. TVS recognized the growing importance of electric mobility and has made significant strides in this space. Their electric scooters like the iQube offer a glimpse into the future of urban transportation, clean, efficient and connected. TVS is not just building electric vehicles, they are building an ecosystem for sustainable mobility. TVS ambition extend beyond India. They have a growing presence in international market, exporting their product to numerous countries around the globe. The acquisition of the iconic British brand Northern Motorcycle is a testament to TVS global aspiration and their commitment to expanding their portfolio. At TVS, the customer is at the center of everything they do. They understand that building great product is only half the battle. Providing exceptional customer service is equally important. TVS Motors' journey is a testament to the power of innovation, customer focus, and strategic vision. As they continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, the future looks bright for this dynamic and forward thinking company.